Hey there, I've got this Kent Missbond Classic Hard Candy. It looks like there is like a caramel center, chewy caramel center. And yeah, can't really read anything about what the calories and stuff because it's pretty small print. But I think this might be something that will be tasty. Here's what I'm seeing when I first open it. Here, Lisa. There's one for you to try.
It's a hard candy.
Yeah, and then it's going to have like a soft center. It's pretty good size. Well, the outside's not that hard. You can break through it pretty easy. It's not that bad.
There's no center. Oh,
What?
there it is.
Yeah, caramely center. It's sweet. It's similar to a Werther's, but not as strong. I like this.
That's good.
For hard caramel candy with a chewy center, I could say 5 out of 5. This is really good. If I can find this online, I'll put a link below. If you've ever had this, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not, are you a fan of caramel? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.